Welcome to Dollywood Theme Park in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. In today's video, we'll be breaking down the differences between their 2024 season passes and hopefully help you figure out which passes are best for you and your family. We'll be talking about a new festival and a brand new area coming to Dollywood for the 2024 season as we do our best to answer many frequently asked questions such as when are blackout dates for silver passes? How do the Bring a Friend tickets work? And much, much more. So we are on Dollywood.com and we're gonna go over to this theme park area and click on season passes. We're in the pre-sale right now at the time of recording, but I'm gonna look at the pre-sale information. So some of the information might change from the time you eventually watch this video, but I'll try my best to give an overview. You can see that they are highlighting the Dolly Parton experience that is set to open during the 2024 season. But before I get into details on season passes and which one's best for you, I did want to go over the single day ticket is $89 for adults, $119 for a 2-day, and $129 for a 3-day ticket. Children are considered ages 4 to 9, and you can see the single day ticket for a child and senior is $79. I just wanted to keep this pricing in mind before we get into the season passes. When you start adding up the single day tickets, it's going to make sense for you to consider getting a season pass. So the question is, which season pass should you get? So the pricing on the screen right now is for anyone who renews their pass by October 29th. If you're watching this video after that, or you're not going to be renewing and buying a brand new pass starting October 30th, then you're going to notice the prices are bumped up a little bit. This is renewal pricing. It actually might be about $159. I want to say it's typically about $10. So what is the difference between these three? The biggest difference is the silver is going to have blackout dates, whereas the gold and the diamond have no form of blackout dates. I also wanted to point out that if it's a child silver season pass, there are no blackout dates that apply. What I want to look for real quick is which days are black here on the calendar. So March, you're good. April, May, June, you're good. July, August, September, October, November, 29th is now when you finally get some blackout dates. So you're going to be blacked out for the month of December. It is very popular. The park itself is closed on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, but you would not be able to attend in the month of December. You can still attend the Christmas festival on all of these days in November. So let's look at the silver pass Bring a Friend ticket blackout dates. Again, this only applies to silver. If you have a gold or a diamond pass, this won't apply to you. You're good to use those Bring a Friend tickets any day that you can get in the park. Those tickets are going to match the days that you are able to get in, which is any day that the park is open. But as for silver, you can see there's some blackout dates in March for the Bring a Friend tickets. Again, I'm looking at Bring a Friend ticket blackout dates. There'll also be some in April, May, and again, it's mainly Friday and Saturdays here we're looking like. In July as well, August, Friday, Saturdays, and it starts to get into Mondays here in September, and then there's a lot more blackout dates. This is for the tickets, not for the pass, just so you don't get confused. And then into November, you can still use those Bring a Friend, those 2 Bring a Friend tickets you get with a silver pass. And then you're going to be blacked out throughout December as a pass holder. Even having blackout dates, you can still attend, you can see here, all 5 Dollywood festivals. When it comes to the 2024 season, they have 5 festivals listed out. You have the Harvest Festival, the Christmas Festival, the Flower and Food Festival in the spring. During the summer, you've got the Smoky Mountain Summer Celebration. 2023 marked Dolly Parton's 50th anniversary of her I Will Always Love You song, so it was a celebration. They are now making that a festival, so it is an I Will Always Love You music festival. It says, kick off the 2024 season with a festive event commemorating the art of songwriting and the stories behind the songs. So that looks like that's March 9th, which will probably be the opening day of Dollywood for the 2024 season. And I'm assuming there'll be a lot of similar decorations that we saw with the I Will Always Love You celebration. And that again is now going to be a carried on festival, which will be one of 5 different festivals that you can attend as a pass holder. They all have bring a friend tickets. The silver you get 2, the gold pass you get 2 bring a friend tickets, and with the diamond pass you will get 4 bring a friend tickets. Bring a friend tickets have become a lot less restrictive. You can use, again, if I right now purchased a gold pass and got 2 bring a friend tickets, I can use those bring a friend tickets any day of the week and any day of the year that the park is open. So I know there's often lots of questions about bring a friend tickets. Those tickets will match whatever access your pass has. Another big difference to consider between these passes is getting a discount on food and merchandise. You can see the gold here gives you a 15% off select dining and shopping within the theme park and the resorts, whereas the diamond pass will get you 20% off. So one thing that our family has done is we've had either mom or dad, somebody in the family, get a top tier, whether that's a gold or a diamond. So at least one of us gets a discount whenever we do purchase something, food or merchandise related within the park. We use that higher tier pass to get the best discount on that. And then the kids in the past have often just had perhaps a silver or a gold, depending on how old the kids are and if you want to go throughout the entire Christmas season or not. One other thing I want to point out is in the past, they've only allotted so many diamond passes to be available, and whenever they hit that point, they stop selling. So you could be on the website and say, I don't see the diamond pass. If that's the case, they're no longer available. They've done something really neat this year if you're a fan of cinnamon bread with the diamond pass, that you can get 1 free loaf of cinnamon bread each month during the 2024 season. So you can take the cost of cinnamon bread times how many times you'll visit and kind of factor that into, should I pay the additional cost for a diamond? The other thing you have to compare this to is this is a 2-park diamond. So the better way to compare it would be to look at the 2-park passes as far as a more apples to apples comparison of a diamond pass versus a 2-park, because keep in mind the diamond includes the water park. You can add the water park to a silver or to a gold pass for $55. One other thing I want to point out is you can do payment plans on passes if you'd like. There's a point in time in the season where this is no longer available, but if it is available and it's something you want to use, just want to let you know that you can do a payment plan. If you do want access to both the theme park and the water park, and you're looking down here where it says add water park dining for $50, and you're thinking to yourself, well, what is water park dining? We did an entire video on that. I'll put that down in the description, how that works, and help you to decide if that's something you want to add. It's a dining plan within the water park only. It's not anything that you can use within the theme park. But again, I go into much more detail about the water park dining plan, what that is. Also, we have another video breaking down all of the food options in the park during the 2023 season. Some of those options might slightly change for the 2024 season, but for the most part, it should be a lot of similar items that they'll have for this next year at the water park. So check out those 2 videos if you want to check out the water park dining and what all the food options are at Dollywood to help you make that decision if you want to add that on or not. One other pre-sale bonus I just want to throw out real quick for the Silver Pass is they are going to give you an extra free visit during the Christmas festival. Let's take a look at this benefit breakdown a little closer. Starting out with Blackout Dates, they list them here on their website. You can see basically the month of December, you wouldn't be able to go if you have a Silver Pass, whereas again, no Blackout Dates on the Gold or the Diamond. All 3 passes will give you discounts on area attractions. You can check out their website for more details, but a number of the dinner shows that are nearby. As far as aquariums and zoos, most of these are not close to Dollywood, but the Zoo Knoxville is not too far. You could utilize 20% off admission there. And these are not necessarily near Dollywood, but these Ripley's attractions are near Dollywood, including the Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies in Gatlinburg. We always love this old McDonald farm, not too far from Dollywood. You can also get a discount at the Titanic Museum if you'd like to go to that in Pigeon Forge, not too far from Dollywood. We've talked about the Bring a Friend tickets, how many you get with each one. If I had a Diamond Pass and I had 4 family members come into town, I could take all 4 of those tickets and get all 4 of those family members in on that single day. It could be a Saturday. They've pulled back on a lot of kind of restrictions. If I had additional family members with a silver, I could get $5 off a ticket, or 10 if with a gold, or 15 off a single day ticket. If you're going to be staying at one of the resorts, you can get 10, 15, or 20% off your lodging, get 15 or 20% off with a diamond. I have a diamond right now. We just ate at the Ember and Elm restaurant. It was fantastic. The food was really good. We tried out a number of different things. The bill came out to $191, so saving 20% off did help out a lot with that particular bill. Another benefit to getting a gold pass is they will give you a souvenir refill mug. This is good for the first day that you use it. All day you can do as many refills as you want around the theme park or the water park. After that first day, then it's 99 cents a refill thereafter, typically is how it works, or you pay $6 to get a wristband that allows you unlimited refills again for that next day that you bring it back. Whereas the Diamond Pass will get you an all-season Diamond Pass holder tumbler, and this you can refill all the time, as many times as you want throughout the entire season. This last season, our kids had gold passes and they had little vouchers for souvenir refill mugs. We took that voucher and went up to one of the concession stands and said, hey, we'd like to pay the difference to get an all-season mug. And for us, that was about $20. So that is something they've allowed us to do in the past. So hopefully that's something you could do if you get a gold pass and you would like to actually get an all season. With the gold and diamond pass, you can also get discounts on their time saver pass, which helps you to skip the line. You can also get discounts on their festival tours, their VIP tours. They also give a discount for preferred parking with a gold or diamond pass. And again, free general parking to either the gold or the diamond. So unfortunately, if you have a silver, you're not going to be able to get free parking. You're going to have to pay $25 every time you come to the park. So I would always recommend, if you're a family, someone, at least one in the family, gets either a diamond or a gold pass, so your parking is paid for. There are also some golden hours and golden events. You can see some of those down here, such as a reserved seating for this Harvest Festival event, as well as Christmas in the Smokies. They have certain days and times, as well as golden hours. Sometimes on Saturdays you can go in a little bit early to ride certain things. There's often a whole calendar of what will be open early at the water park during the summertime. You can get in early and see these certain things. If you do add the water park to your pass or get a diamond, you can get discounts on retreats and canopies. And with the diamond, there is an actual area reserved early in the mornings just for diamond pass holders. We've utilized that. It's kind of nice to have a little area that you can head over to the right of the wave pool. I also wanted to point out you can get a free pre-K Imagination Season Pass to Dollywood. If your child was born in 2019 or 2020, they are eligible to register for a free pre-K Imagination Season Pass. You just go here to their website, fill out their information, and they'll get you taken care of with a free pass for them. Finally, I wanted to walk through a couple frequently asked questions. And if you found this video helpful, if you could do us a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button down below. And if you are new here, make sure you are subscribed. We plan to bring you to all the Dollywood festivals in 2024. All right, let's get to our first question that we encountered on our Facebook page. Amanda asked, if you're renewing and want to add additional passes, can you add at the same time, or do you have to purchase the new ones at the end of the month? Hey, Amanda, I did try that. I went in my back office. I tried to see if I could add in any way. That's not available. It allowed me to renew any existing pass we have. But if you're looking to add an additional pass for someone in your family, then you're going to have to wait for the 30th. Nicole asked, what's the price for non-renewal passes? And down here was what was released on a Dollywood newsletter. It is a $10 difference for silver. So instead of $149 during the renewal, as of the 30th of October and on, a silver pass would be $159, and a $10 jump on the gold pass. So it's going to go from $224 to $234 as of October 30th on. There is a bigger jump on the diamond. It goes from $324 up to $349 as of October 30th if you don't renew. Kelsey asked a great question. Does anyone know, is the Bring a Friend passes work for Splash Country if you have the diamond pass? The answer is yes. So if you get 4 Bring a Friend tickets with your diamond pass, diamond gives you access to the water park. So yes, you can use those 4 tickets at either the theme park or the water park. The same would apply if you had a 2-park gold. You'd get 2 Bring a Friend tickets and you could use those at any park. But if you have a standard gold pass that does not include the water park, then you would not be able to use those 2 Bring a Friend tickets at the water park. Those Bring a Friend tickets are going to match what you have as a pass holder. Megan has a scenario here, and I'll just say there are a number of scenarios with getting this type of pass with this many Bring a Friend tickets and going on this date versus that date. I hope this video kind of helps you navigate what's best for you and your family, hopefully answered some questions. But she also asked a very good question I want to make sure is answered. She says here, is the diamond pass, or really would apply to any of these passes, gold or silver, are they good for 1 year from the date of purchase or for the remainder of 2023 and 2024? And it is a season pass. It's not an annual pass. So it's not good for 1 whole year from the date you purchase. This is good for the 2024 season. So my recommendation, if you plan to buy a pass, I would buy it as soon as you can, as soon as they're available, so you can use it as much as possible for that entire season. I also looked at Dollywood's Facebook page and somebody asked, hey, all these extra benefits like cinnamon bread and the 2024 Bring a Friend tickets, when are we able to utilize those and get those? And they said season pass entitlements that are not valid until the 2024 season, like the Bring a Friend tickets and the cinnamon bread benefit, will be added to your My Dollywood account for redemption in the 2024 operating season. Goes on to say, Diamond Pass Holder appreciation bags, if you get that Diamond Pass in the renewal time, will be mailed to you, and Diamond Appreciation tumblers will be available for pickup at the park during the Smoky Mountain Christmas, which starts November 4th. And finally, somebody said, hey, how do I get a Diamond Pass? And Dollywood responded, Diamond Passes are available in limited quantities each season. If there is still quantity available, you will be able to upgrade or purchase your pass in the Passholder hub or on the website. Check out Dollywood's website or give them a call if you're needing to get a season pass. If there are any additional questions you have that we could help you out with, feel free to drop those in the comments. We'll do our best to help you out. Otherwise, that wraps up this video going over Dollywood's 2024 season passes. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.